Here's why your credit score isn't increasing, even if you are doing credit repair. At a certain point, if you're not also focusing on adding good information to your credit report, you're going to see your score stall. So here are 3 things you can do to add good information to your credit report. Number 1, add rent to your credit report. With the tool that we have linked, you can add up to 2 years of your prior rental payment history to your credit report. This is going to add 2 years of positive payment history, which is 35% of your credit score. Option number 2, add your utility bills and subscription services to your credit report. There's several tools available to do this. For each item that's found, for instance, a cell phone bill, or maybe your Hulu or your Amazon Prime subscriptions, it will add a trade line onto your credit report, helping to add positive history. Number 3, don't forget to have an open line of credit on your report, any sort of revolving debt like a credit card. If your credit score is lower, you may need to start with a secured card. We have many options available for you if you don't know where to go as far as a local bank, credit union, or online resource. If you're in need of any of these resources, follow the link in the bio. We have different links available for adding your utility bills, adding your rental payment history, or opening a secured or unsecured credit card. We even offer a full reestablishment plan if you're looking to fully rebuild your credit.